Do you want to stop anyone from opening the control panel or the settings app on your PC? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact registry tweak to disable them. No extra software, no group policy. Just one simple settings and your system is locked down. Let's jump straight into it. So to prevent access to the control panel, let me show you something quick, okay? So if I click on the search, then I click on control panel, you see we have access to the control panel, okay? So I'm going to show you how to prevent access by using the registry. So to do that, I'm going to close the control panel, then I'm going to click on the search, then I'm going to right click on the registry, and then I'll run as administrator. So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So now at the registry, we are going to expand 8 key current user, and then we are going to expand software. So we scroll down, and then we expand Microsoft, okay? And then we are going to scroll down, and then we expand Windows. So at the Windows, we are going to expand CurrentVersion. So we are going to scroll down again, and then we expand policies. So at the policies, we are going to create a D word in the Explorer. In your case, if you don't have the Explorer under the policies, you can create a key and name it Explorer. So to do that, you can right click on the policies, and then you go to new and then key, okay? And then you name your key Explorer, okay? So in the Explorer, we are going to create a D word. So to do that, you can right click on the Explorer, and then you go to new and then D word. Otherwise, you can right click on that empty space at the right pane, and then you go to new and then D word, okay? So we are going to name our D word no control panel, and then we press on the enter key on the keyboard. So now we are going to double click on the no control panel, and then we change the value data from 0 to 1, and then we click on the OK. So let me close the registry, and then now if you access the control panel, it's going to give us access denied. So now you see this operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So now we've prevented access to the control panel, okay? So now to allow access, you go to search, and then you right click again on the registry, and then you run as administrator. So now we are going to double click on the no control panel, and then we change the value data from 1 to 0. So I'm going to click on OK. So now I'm going to close the registry, okay? So to make the changes to take effect, you have to restart our system for the changes to take effect, okay? So whilst I'm restarting the system, I'll meet you at the other side. So now we finished restarting our system, okay? So let me try accessing the control panel again, and then we see if we can access it or not. So let me click on the search, and then I'll click on the control panel. Now you see we can get access to the control panel. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.